Hey there, fellow green thumbs! Today I'm diving into my top 10 tips for growing absolutely stunning hibiscus plants. These tropical beauties can transform any garden into a paradise, so let's get started. Tip number 1, choose the right variety. Hibiscus comes in many types, but for most home gardens, the tropical hibiscus is the winner. Look for varieties like red dragon or yellow chiffon that thrive in your local climate. Tip number 2, pick a sunny spot. Hibiscus loves the sunlight. Aim for a location that gets at least 6 hours of bright, direct sunlight each day. This will ensure vibrant blooms and healthy foliage. Tip number 3, soil matters. Hibiscus plants thrive in well-draining soil. Mix in some organic compost to enrich the soil and help retain moisture without drowning the roots. Tip number 4, water wisely. These plants enjoy a good drink but hate soggy feet. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Tip number 5, fertilize regularly. A balanced fertilizer with an NPK ratio of October 10 works wonders. Feed your hibiscus every 2 weeks during the growing season for lush growth and abundant blooms. Tip number 6, prune for perfection. Pruning helps maintain the shape and encourages new growth. Trim back in early spring before new growth starts, cutting just above a leaf node. Tip number 7, watch for pests. Aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies love hibiscus as much as we do. Keep an eye out and treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Tip number 8, mulch it up. Applying a layer of mulch helps retain soil moisture and keeps the roots cool. Use organic mulch like bark chips or straw and keep it a few inches away from the stem. Tip number 9, protect from the cold. If you live in a cooler climate, hibiscus needs some extra love in winter. Bring potted plants indoors or cover garden plants with frost cloths on chilly nights. And finally, tip number 10, repot periodically. Potted hibiscus can become root-bound over time. Every 2 to 3 years, repot your plant into a slightly larger container with fresh soil to keep it thriving. There you have it, folks. 10 tips to grow gorgeous hibiscus plants that will make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Thanks for tuning in and happy gardening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time.